Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove the window switch. We'll use a plastic prying tool. You can get these from 1aauto.com. Pry up between the silver part and the black part of the trim. So I'm pushing it up off of these two clips and these clips here. Push the lock in. Pull the plug out. There's the window switch. You need to remove the plastic trim that's behind this so we can get to the screw. So you can pull out the door handle and then take the plastic prying tool, pop it out. It's not really in there with much force. It does have these 4 little clips here. We'll put that aside. Here in the door pull handle is a little felt mat. Let's see if I can get this up. Now we can access the screw that's in there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the Phillips head screw that's in here. Do the same for this screw here. You need to remove this push clip here. So take a small flat bladed screwdriver and actually push the middle of the clip in. That unlocks it. Take the plastic prying tool, so pry it up. Before you can take the lower door panel off, you have to take this upper door panel off. This little trim cover. So get my plastic trim tool under here. Pry it up off the clips. That removed, the rest of this door panel is held on with clips. So you can reach behind it and give it a firm pull. It'll pop it off the clips. And then we'll lift it up and off the door frame. Need to disconnect the Bowden cables. One goes to the door lock, one goes to the door handle. Pull it off like this, and then feed a little ball at the end out of there. Do the same for the other one. If the door clips stay in the door, use the plastic prying tool to just pop them out and then reuse them in the door panel. Remove these 2 rubber plugs. They should peel right out of the door. You need to disconnect that yellow clip here. So I'm going to push this way on it, or unlock it. And then we can pull this rod out. Now sometimes you have to get a prying tool in here and just pry out. You need to get in here, possibly pry that out. It does have a little ball stud on the end of it to get it free. There are 2 10mm nuts, one on the top and then one on the bottom. We'll need to remove those. Be careful not to drop them into the door panel. I'm using a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. I'm just going to use a magnet to grab it because it's sitting on top of the handle mechanism. I'm going to go for the one on the bottom. I'm also holding onto the handle, the outside of the door, so it doesn't fall. Pull the nut out. Pull the handle out of the door. So carefully put the door handle back into the door. These two studs are going to go into the openings. Reinstall the top one. Reinstall the bottom one. Tighten it up. Do the same for the other one. Need to put the control rod back on. It needs to go into there. Push it in place to lock it, and then flip the yellow lock down. Pry that little yellow lock down. It fits kind of tight, and then pop it over and locks in place. And the door handle is reinstalled. Place the rubber grommets. And reinstall the door panel. Get it up into position. Put the bowden cables back on. The white one goes to the top. Cable through there. Then clip it in place. Do the same for the other one. Make sure you have access to the wiring harness for the window switch. And then we'll lift the door panel up, push it down into the opening. It's going to hook over the sheet metal, just like that. And I'll push it into place back on the clips. Push this trim panel back into place. It has these three clips and that clip here. Get it started. Reinstall this clip, so I'll push it back out to unlock it, get it started, and then push it in to lock it. Reinstall the screw behind the door handle. Install the screw here in the door panel. Put a little felt pad back in. Reinstall the trim behind the door handle. Just clicks into place. Reinstall the window switch. Plug it in. It'll click when it locks in place. These two lock tabs here, these ones in the back. It's going to go straight down, click into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.